Actually, it's not a visual. It is a phrase called supplementary and complementary. अब शहबाज शरीफ को वहां पे पुतिन ने पूछा, this is a reality, that how do you want to be treated? He said that, see, I want to be treated as supplementary and complementary to India. He didn't say, I want to be treated well, I want to build a relation with you. He said, you have a very strong relation with India, this is very good, but you make us supplementary and complementary. This is you don't talk this language.
May I join in, sir?
I mean, Deepak Vora, please, Mr. Vora, on
may I
supplementary, complementary, and a lot more.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm coming in, sir. Thank you very much. As always, great pleasure to be with you. First, let me stop laughing, sir. The way you put it across is brilliant. No wonder you're the world's greatest anchor. What an amazing channel. Now, let me put it to you like this. The car is moving, General Bakshi, Mr. Goswami, and all the others. The front two tires could be India. The back two tires could be Russia. The Pakistani fellow is saying, please make me the Stepney at least. Make me the spare wheel. Let me join in. Sir, 52 years in diplomacy, I've never seen this kind of humiliation. There is their security. The Pakistani fellow must have had some security. Then there's the Chinese security. They would have agreed in advance. We always do that. Look, can my chap come up? But he obviously barged his way in and was pushed away. I have never seen this in 52 years in diplomacy. Finally, I heard one of our Pakistani colleagues, I'm surprised he didn't raise Kashmir. He will in a moment. He says that, why did your Prime Minister leave? Tiger, we were not invited to the parade. It was an anti-Japan parade. And had we been invited, we would not have attended the parade, sir. Hear me out, sir. We would not have attended it. First. Second, the document that was signed, sir, at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit is not something that the heads of state sit and negotiate. It was discussed weeks ago. Diplomats, we sent the draft. We say, ye kariye, ye add kariye, don't add this, remove this. And then the fact that we have named the terror attack in Pahalgam means that your government had to decide, jaye ki na jaye, wahan to hamari patloon utar jayegi. They finally decided to come. That was a decision that they took. Pakistan was humiliated, sir. I've never seen this kind of behavior. Sir, 6 देशों में राजदूत रह चुका हूँ. मैंने ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा इस type of treatment. And see the respect. दुनिया की ताकत बन के सामने आए. And see the respect given to. Sir, मैंने आपको interrupt नहीं किया था. आप खामोश हो जाइए. आप मुंह पे zip लगा दीजिए. Sir, I just want, sir, this guy will raise Kashmir. This guy is going to raise Kashmir now, sir. General Bakshi, can you tell him to keep quiet? He doesn't listen to me. दो चैनल पे बैठ के बोल सकते हैं आप. आप खामोश हो जाएंगे, sir. We are talking of the meeting. We are talking of the meeting, sir. In China, we are not talking about your fellows, your fellows whose boots you lick. We are not talking about that. We are talking about the SCO summit, sir. आप खामोश हो जाइए. Sir, can you tell him to keep quiet? Switch off his microphone, please. This guy won't listen. So basically,
Bill